Good morning again, everybody. I think it's still, it's actually afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. That's gone quickly. I just wanted to do a little special for you today. Could be our last day, still not sure. For you, especially if you're not local. I've got these amazing crystal kits, which are absolutely beautiful. You can see the size of the tumblestones we put in here. We make these ourselves at AOK. I've chosen 3 of our most popular kits to offer you today, and I'm going to do free postage on them. So anywhere in the world, if you're after these, let me know. So our protection kit, which has black tourmaline, rainbow jasper, jade, labradorite and chevron amethyst, it is $14. Our stress kit, which I can't believe that no one would be feeling a little bit nervous at the moment. We are human beings after all. The stress kit has labradorite, lepidolite, which is an amazing stone, the take it easy stone. And this tumblestone, I think we sell this for about $8 just for the tumblestone. It's actually a valuable stone. It's this little purple one in here. It's beautiful. It's got a sparkle in it. Amazonite, chevron amethyst and rainbow jasper. And that is $14. Free postage today. And the Chakra Kit, which is beautiful, and it has quite a lot of stones in there, so you can do a chakra balance. It has amethyst, sodalite, aquamarine, aventurine, carnelian, jasper and some hematite. So that one is $16. So today I'm doing free postage on these kits. You can have as many, I think I've got quite a few, so if you need extras, I'm sure that I'll do them until I run out, of course, what I've got prepared, but I've got plenty in stock that we've made up. So there's the Chakra Kit, $16, and the Stress Kit and the Protection Kit, which are $14, and today I will do free postage on those 3 kits. And of course, if you want to put anything else in, we can do that as well. So give me a call on 0358 544, and we want to get your crystals out to you as soon as we can, because the postal service could also shut down. So just a heads up. So if there's anything else, of course, that you want, I can add that to the order. And yes, so offering free postage today. Probably oils aren't a good thing to put in the post because they might break. I wouldn't put anything glass in the post. So just let me know if I can help. I'm here to help you today. 0358 231 544. Take care, beautiful people, and I'll see you soon. Bye. I'm open till 4 o'clock today, by the way. Bye.